In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this kind of monocular night vision goggles here, and you can see it's a head mounted night vision goggle. Unless I've already had this out and used it, so I kind of know what to expect in this box, but let me just do a little opening for you guys and show you what I kind of got with it here. So number one, you get this head mount with this kind of GoPro type fitting. Look how many articulating fittings all of this is. The owner's manual right here, and you could see over the owner's manual. I'll just kind of go over some of it. It's a structural, so it's got the infrared light. Let's pull it out right here. Oh, there's a USB-C cable. You can see the USB-C. The little bit of hardware, you're going to get some little hardware to it, and we'll just dump that out down in there just like that. We don't need any of this. Now let's just kind of like go over this unit. Number one, it's a very good quality looking unit there. A little bit of kind of pollen on it, you know, where we've had a lot of pollen out here, by the way. You can see, so the top of it, so it goes just like this. USB-C goes in the back. You can see all the buttons here. Infrared light on the top. Focus wheel is right there. It's 11 centimeters by 11 centimeters that way, so you can kind of see the overall size of it there. And you see how it mounts on this mounting. The head mount that came with it goes just like this. Now this thing does have a helmet mount, and that's what these little hardware is right there is for. Now I don't have a helmet to mount it on, but it can mount to a helmet and kind of like articulate out like that. So the way I'm doing it, you can see how it's in the head like mount that they sent with it. The bracket goes just like this, and these are top of those little GoPro brackets. Screws down right there, that screws in right there. And to turn this thing on, you've got the P, which is a power button. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera. Let's see if we can show it up in the camera. There's a welcome screen that pops up, and then you see, I don't know, can you see my hand? Well, it's zoomed in right now. And then looking over the instructions right here, you've got, so you're gonna press this plus sign, and the plus moves the cursor to the left and right. And then the plus sign moves the cursor to the right. The minus moves it to the left. There is a reset button right here in the middle for you to reset it. And then there's the charging port right here. And then here is the IR function. And that's what it says. It says IR function on it. I can't tell if you can see it in the camera. So this is 100% a night vision goggle that you would use where you're hunting, say you're out hunting like pigs, or you can hunt those at night. There's several game that you can hunt at night where you would use something like this, or you're just out camping and you're wanting to have a good time and you're wanting to find a good campsite, or just kind of like look around and see what's making noise in the woods or something. I think this would be great. Let's go ahead, click over to some night, and then let's put this thing to the test at night, because you know, it's obviously kind of hard to show it here in the daylight hours. I mean, what are you going to see? Guess we can see the magnification working, but outside that, there's really not much else you can see. So let's go ahead, let's click over to some nighttime footage and see what this thing looks like at night, because I think it's going to be pretty cool. Okay, everybody, it's officially nighttime out here. I don't know how well you can see it. We'll look a little bit in the light. I have the unit itself right here. Now what I'm going to do, let me just turn it on for you guys. So let me put my eye up to it. I don't know how well you can see through the camera. I'm trying to show you guys, I've got the camera lens right up to this. Check this out. Let me move you off to the side and show you what you're looking at without the, y'all see that? That is pitch black. Now watch when I put it right up to the camera. That is working great. I hear a cat over here. You guys see that? See how all that's lit up? Everybody, I think this is a great thing for anyone that's doing any type of nighttime hunting, or just kind of like maybe some camping, or just having fun. I don't say, you can see how the crosshairs are moving around on it. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this amongst my camping travels and hanging out. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, monocular, 7 times monocular, night vision monocular. See y'all in the next video.